Hello, beautiful people. Did you know that we paint on fabrics now in 2024? Well, we do, and if you are willing to know how that is done, keep on watching, like my videos, share and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other fashion tutorial or tip that I'll be posting in the future. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. Well, to the best of my knowledge, Vicky James was the first person I found out that used this painting method on Toke Makinwa's dress for the AMVCA, and it came out really beautiful. Painting is evolving now. There are fabric paints that you can use to make beautiful pieces on your fabric, and that is why I'm updating you on this new method. There are various methods of doing painting. You can either do it the way Vicky James did her own by spraying, or do it like this designer that I saw on Instagram. She literally painted this flower on her dress. Can you believe that? So she took a piece of paper, drew out the sketch of what she wanted and how she wanted it to be on her dress, and after she did that, she made sure that all the lines were properly done and neatly done. She mirrored a style of flower that she printed out from a website. So after doing that, she cut it out neatly and then she placed it on the dress, our ready made dress, neatly, and then she used the tailor's chalk to trace it out and then perfect all the dressing. And then she took the fabric paint and started painting it, and it came out really beautiful. When you are doing this, you have to be very careful so you don't spill some paint on your dresses and it will end up beautiful. I'm going to drop the picture of the fabric paint now so you can see. It comes in different sizes and colors, guys. Happy tailoring. So thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.